So today we are going to deal with mirror formula, which is the relation between U, V, F. U is your object distance, V is your image distance, and F is your focal length. So I am going to consider a concave mirror. So here you are going to consider a concave mirror. And this is your principal axis, and this is your pole of the mirror, is the principal axis, and this is your center of curvature. C is your center of curvature, and this is your focus here, and here you are going to have an object. So the object, so this is A and this is B, AB. So here I am going to consider a ray which is passing through the center of curvature. First of all, when a ray is passing through the center of curvature, it is very clear that when a ray is passing through the center of curvature, it retraces its path. We have studied. இப்போ ஒரு ரே போச்சுன்னா இங்கே போயிட்டு டெஃபினட்டாக இட் ரீட்ரேசஸ் இட்ஸ் பாத். இது ஒரு ரே. பேராக்சியல் ரே எடுத்துக்கிட்டோம்னா இந்த பேராக்சியல் ரே ஆஃப்டர் ரிஃப்ளெக்ஷன் இட் பாசஸ் த்ரூ த ஃபோக்கஸ். ஸோ ஃபோக்கஸ் வழியாக வந்து இங்கே வந்துடும். ஸோ டூ ரேஸ் போதும். It is well enough for us. Here we can say that the image is formed. So at this point we are going to consider the image. Okay, so here this is the image formed. Foot is the foot of the image, is foot of the object. This is the head of the object. Principal axis oda principal axis la வந்து foot இருக்கு, object ஓட foot இருக்கு அப்படின்னா image ஓட foot தான் இருக்கணும். So real inverted image இங்கே கிடச்சிச்சு. ஓகேங்களா? ஓகே. ஸோ இப்போ இதுக்கு வந்து நான் வந்து பி டேஷ் நேம் கொடுக்குறேன், இதுக்கு வந்து ஏ டேஷ் நேம் கொடுக்குறேன். See, these two triangles A dash B dash C, ABC, consider these two triangles. While you consider these two triangles, these are similar triangles. So triangle ABC is similar to A dash B dash C, A dash B dash C, these two triangles. So when you go for the triangular similarity, we can say these ratios between A dash B dash and AB and B dash A and BC are equal. The ratios are equal. So we can write this as A dash B dash divided by AB. This is the ratio. These two ratio will be equal to CB dash, and it is the ratio of CB dash and BC. So CB dash divided by BC. Okay. And what is CB dash? If you want to calculate CB dash, you have to calculate PC and you have to subtract PB dash. So CP minus B dash P, CP minus B dash P will give you CB dash. It is divided by again BC. Okay. Now what is BC again? If you want to calculate BC, you have to go for BP minus BP minus PC or CP. BP minus PC gives you BC. So again I am going to write this as BP minus CP. Okay. Now we know this is the focus and this is the center of curvature, and PC is equal to R is the radius of curvature, we know that, and B dash P is the image distance. So from this I can calculate the image distance as B. So B dash P is equal to V, image distance, and again I can write this BP, from B to P is the object placed. So again I am going to consider this distance as object distance U. All according to Cartesian sign convention, all are on the negative side of the pole. Therefore BP is equal to the object distance. Again the object distance is minus, image distance is also on the left side minus, the radius of curvature is also on the left side, so minus, according to Cartesian sign convention. You have to follow the Cartesian sign convention here. Okay. Now similarly, if you consider another triangle, another ray, this is your first ray, this is your second ray, I am going to consider third ray, and that ray is going to hit this point, it is going to hit the pole P, and this will be the angle of incidence. ஏன்னா இதுதான் நார்மல் பாயிண்ட் ஆஃப் இன்சிடென்ஸ்க்கு நார்மல் வரைஞ்சால் இந்த பிரின்சிபல் ஆக்சஸ் தான், இது இன்சிடென்ட் ரே. ஸோ அதே மாதிரி ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் ஆன ரே வந்து இட் பாசஸ் and it intersects at this particular point. So this also includes that intersection where the image is formed. Okay. So if you consider this A dash B dash P, this triangle, for example, I can to differentiate I can draw like this. This triangle and the whole APB, this triangle. So these two angles are equal, this angle and this angle are equal. So I can say again from the similarity of the triangle A dash B dash P is similar to A dash B dash P is similar to APB, this whole triangle. Okay, so triangle APB dash and the triangle APB or similar triangles. Okay, and also the angles are equal. The angle APB dash is equal to the angle APB. This angle is equal to this angle. So again I can write the same relation, A dash B dash divided by A dash B dash divided by AB is equal to B dash P divided by BP. B dash P divided by similarity of triangles rule இருக்கு, அந்த ரூல்ல இருந்து நம்ம இப்படி எழுதணும். Okay, so we know that B dash P is minus B and BP is minus U. So you can write this as which is equal to minus V by minus U. So that is equal to V by U. V by U. Okay, so let it be, we are having CP here, and CP is nothing but minus R. I can write minus R. So minus of B dash P. So minus of minus V I can write minus of minus V divided by BP. BP is minus U and minus of CP is minus R. CP is minus R. So what happens here, minus into minus becomes plus and minus and minus become plus. So this can be written as minus R plus V divided by minus u plus r. Okay, let it be equation number 1 and let it be equation number 2. So from these two equations we can arrive at the relationship, that is you can divide these two equations. Okay, you can divide these two equations, or you can we can compare these two equations simply. See, this is LHS is a dash b dash by ab, and this LHS is also a dash b dash by ab. Therefore we can compare the RHS. Therefore comparing 1 and 2, we get minus r plus v divided by minus u plus r is equal to v by u. Okay, minus. Okay, now you can cross multiply this. So doing cross multiplication, you can simply cross multiply this. U times minus r plus v is equal to v times minus u plus r. So uv minus ur is equal to minus uv plus vr. So you can get this equation like this, and dividing this equation by uvr on both sides. So let it be equation number 3. So divide equation 3 by uvr on both sides. So if you divide, you will get uv divided by uvr minus ur divided by uvr is equal to minus uv divided by uvr plus vr divided by uvr. So you can cancel this too. Okay, and you will get you can cancel this also, and you can cancel ur, and here you can cancel uv and uv. So the remaining will be 1 by r minus 1 by v is equal to minus 1 by r plus 1 by u. You bring this minus 1 by r left side, so you will get 1 by r plus 1 by r is equal to, you bring this minus 1 by v, bring this minus 1 by v towards that side, so 1 by u plus 1 by v. So 1 by r plus 1 by r you can write as 2 by r. 2 by r is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So also we know that f is equal to 2 times the radius, so r is equal to f by 2. Okay, sorry, very sorry. See, exactly this is the radius of curvature and this is the focus. The radius of curvature is 2 times the focus. The radius of curvature is 2 times the focus. R is equal to 2f. We have already we have read about the geometry as parameters of the mirrors. Important parameters: radius of curvature, focus, focal length. So while deriving this, we get R is equal to 2f. So put R is equal to 2f here. So 2 by 2f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So we can cancel 2. So 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. So this equation is called as mirror equation. So this is the important relation. R is equal to 2f is important relation. Exactly, the focal length will be 2 times, which is equal to the radius. So the total radius will be equal to 2 times the focal length. So r is equal to 2f. So again, once again, very simple concept about mirror formula. Concave mirror or convex mirror. The mirror formula is same for any type of mirrors. Here we are going to consider a concave mirror. In this concave mirror, this is the principal axis, and this point is called as pole of the mirror, and this is the principal axis. I am having an object. In the ஒரு object வச்சிருக்கேன். I am going to consider 3 rays. One paraxial, and after reflection passes through the focus. Number 1, rule number 1, and the second ray which is passing through the center of curvature retraces its path, and another ray which is going to hit the pole will reflect with the same angle. Therefore, according to triangular similarities, we can write the ratios, and comparing these two equations, we can get the final relation by this particular point. So this is for simplification. We are going to this simple formula 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v is called as mirror formula, or this is also called as mirror equation. Thank you.